Hi everyone. In this video I want to show you how you can connect your wireless devices if you're going outside to do a long distance testing, and usually you have a problem is you have no power available when you go to a big mountain or whatever, and you want to do a link to another place, and most of the time you don't have electricity available there. So usually what you do, well, you take a generator. It's a good idea to take a UPS along with the generator, because the current coming out of the generator, it produces a lot of spikes, and so you have to carry a generator. Usually it's quite heavy, and a UPS, which is also very heavy. So I'm going to try to show you a simple solution you can do. And one of the things that you can actually do is you can get one of these power inverters and attach it to your car, and you're gonna have the voltage of your devices, and all you have to do is plug the power supplies of your devices to this inverter. This is a 300 watts one, but there's also a problem with this one, because you're gonna need to connect this to your car battery. And sometimes when you go to a place, carry along your antennas and your laptop and whatever, you don't have a road to the highest point. So you're going to have to leave your car at the bottom and climb to a higher spot. So you won't have the possibility to connect this to your car. So I found a simple solution, especially with one of my devices. So this device can work from 4.5 to 15 volts, because the power regulator inside this has that capability. And what I found out is that you don't actually need a power inverter, because it's not practical in some cases, and it's not energy efficient either. So one of the things I made was I've created a cable with a USB lead on one side and the connector for that access point on the other. So this way I can actually power this two ways. Imagine you're on a site. If you have if there's a way to go with the vehicle to the place where you're gonna do the testing with your antennas, you could actually plug this to your laptop and then plug it to your wireless device while you have your laptop connected to your car lighter. So this way your car would be powering this laptop, that would be powering your access point. So from your car, with only one connection to the car, you can power your laptop and your access point. But for some reason, if you don't have access with your vehicle to the place where you want to do the testing and with your antennas, you could do the same thing using your laptop, because your laptop has a battery and can power this, but it will consume much faster the battery of the laptop. There's another possibility to avoid draining the battery of the laptop too fast. You can actually connect this to something that is very common nowadays. It's a power bank. I have one here, and this power bank is 2,200 milliamps, and I've tested this with this specific access point, and I can tell that this, as you can see, it powers on. I can tell that this 2,200 milliamps works for 2 hours and 50 minutes. We have 2 hours or 50 minutes of power for this particular model, which is quite a lot. I thought it wouldn't last more than an hour, but it surprised me. And there's other capacities of power banks. This is a very easy gadget to find on sale nowadays. So as you can see, you can power this with a power bank. I never thought of this. I thought of the USBs, but I never thought of this. I have one here just I use this one for my action camera to have an extended range, and just figured out that I could use this with my wireless. So in this scenario, you have an independent battery for your wireless device, and you have the battery of your laptop. If you have a laptop that lasts 4 hours, 5 hours, depending on the model and size, and you have one of these that lasts about 3 hours, you can get a bigger one, so you can have more capacity, and this way you can do your testing without having to worry about the power. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I've been helpful. If you have some other hints that might be interesting, please share them. Leave a comment below if you want to. Thank you for watching.